This video shows how to buy shares of Nederman Holding AB, ticker NMAN.ST, listed on CBOE EU. Nederman makes industrial air filtration and extraction systems. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NMAN.ST to locate the stock. Select the result that clearly lists Nederman Holding AB to ensure it is the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the exchange reads CBOE EU and the ticker shows NMAN.ST before proceeding. Tap the trade or buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For details and to try this process, find the eToro link in the description.